Stay tuned to see how I created the silver and gold leaf decoupage table. If you guys remember this table, I had remodeled it about midways last year, and it just did not fit my aesthetic any longer. So I decided to completely do a upcycle of it because it's still a really good crafting table. And so here you see me and my niece who's helping me. We are completely removing all of the paint and sanding down any rough spots off of the table so that we'll have a fresh, clean surface to work with. Once we got off everything that we were able to, we went ahead and stained the top of the table using this really dark chestnutty brown stain. Next, I'm going to use this silver leaf to decoupage on top of the table. I am creating my own veining system, kind of going freehand and covering the complete edge of the table all the way around. This is where your creativity can fly free and you can do whatever pattern you decide to. When I started redoing this table, I had a completely different idea, but it just kind of came naturally and organically, so I went with it. So it got dark, as you can see, with me working on this project, so I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but here I am just taking some gold leaf and applying it to create a contrasting veining system across the top of the table. And then I'm going to cover it all in Mod Podge, and this is the final result. Here is the silver and gold leaf decoupaged table. I'm sorry for the background in which I am filming. It, like I said, got really late, and by the time it completely dried, I was not able to get it into the house and set it up. But I love how this came out. At some point, I added a little bit of glitter just to see how it would look. And when I was adding it, I didn't think I liked it, but I kind of wish I had added more. And you guys know that that is definitely on brand for me. What do you guys think of this redo of the table? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you would have done to it. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. This has been my favorite project of 2021 thus far, and I will be trying to do some more things with the silver and gold leaf papers. Leave me a comment down below as well and let me know what ideas I should try out. Also, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend. And if you haven't hit the bell for notifications, I don't know what you're doing, because you don't want to miss out when I upload every Tuesday. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. Love you guys. Bye.